See how? No more? Or do you want more?
Give me more lettuce. Give me more lettuce. Lady, put the lettuce in there.
I'm trying to, you silly.
Watch your finger.
I am watching my fingers. That's why I pushed it.
Push it in. Now let it go.
And see, that's the biggest. Then you got this one. You got the two little ones over there. The one with the bumpy one was the one they said that wasn't getting good nutrition when they found them.
Where did they find these guys?
I have no idea. I just asked about it because I thought he was a different species.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's so cool.
They hissed. They hissed?
Oh, the big one hissed.
Oh, this one hissed too. Do you want more?
Give me the lettuce.
Well, back up and I'll give it to you.
I will eat the bars. Give me the lettuce.
He'll be back for more soon.
Yeah, he eats fast.
Come over here this way so I can take your picture.
He'll come wherever there's lettuce.
Remember, wash your fingers, okay, Wes?
Those little ones are still going at it.
Well, yeah.
Oh, well, excuse you. Oh, hey, no. Hey.
Here, buddy.
Hey, don't steal his lettuce.
I don't want that lettuce. It's got to be better.
Hey, come here. Hey.
Stick it through so you can see it.
Come here, buddy. Hey, do you want to stand right here?
With you. Sure, you can stand over there. Can you see it?
Oh, let me get up. Oh, he's like, that one in there. I guess just throw it over because he's going on a walk.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Like, I want to eat the little one's
See how
lettuce.
fast they are?
They're super fast. That's crazy. Here he comes.
There's more right there.
I'll eat this.
Hey, you. Hey, don't steal from the little one.
Can you bend down so I can see you? Bend down so I can see you in the picture.
Have your own.
There you go.
Turn on him in the face and it falls. Just, oh, hey.
There he comes.
So I want to make sure that little one gets funny.
Put it down in one of the lower ones and he'll see it.
That's a good idea. Put it down lower, sweetie.
There you go.
He's like, oh, there we go.
They don't waste anything, do they?
No.
Great.
They eat pretty quick, too.
They really do, yeah.
These little ones are still eating on the first ones we gave them.
Well, they're little.
Wow.
They have littler mouths.
Watch your fingers now, buddy.
Oh, that one wants some more. Hey, you want to feed the one in the corner?
Oh, you want to feed him, sweetie?